Let's go ahead and take a look at what modern B2B commerce looks like. You want to start here, Rob?
Yeah, so what you're looking at here, obviously, mobile device. Mobile first has got to be the only approach that you adopt because this is going to become the business tool of the future, especially for high growth markets. So that's the first thing. As we come down through the experience here, you'll see it's rich. It's a very B2C style presentation, but don't be fooled. This is a B2B presentation. Everything there is curated for Sarah's store type, location, and size. So everything is relevant, highly relevant and personalized. But here is the first thing. The first thing at the top of the screen I think is worth talking about in more detail, and that's suggested order.
Okay, let's check it out.
So suggested order is driven by Einstein. And Einstein's taking order history with trending information and archetype customer segmentation and creating a data set that then says, Sarah, there are some products that you need to think about in more detail. In this case, a pre-populated cart with 5 products, 4 of which Sarah already stocks, but we don't think, or Einstein doesn't think, that she's stocking enough to capitalize on the demand. And the 5th one is a new product. So at the bottom of the tab, you can see we've gone into order insights, because that recommendation isn't enough to convince Sarah to pull the trigger. So we're showing that there's going to be a change in demand. For the ego there's a demand coming that we forecast. That could be because we're promoting products, running more advertising. We want to make sure that there's a sense of urgency for Sarah to capitalize on this wave of increased revenue. And then the last one is a real game changer for us in our relationship with a retailer. We have identified a product that sells in other stores just like Sarah's, but Sarah does not carry this product. So by presenting Sarah the product and a forecast of predicted revenue for Sarah, it changes Sarah's mindset altogether. So this is true personalization and putting money in our pocket.
So you're recommending, you're not even selling here, right? You're just helping her run her store in a better way.
Yeah, I mean, we just can't ask her to buy more products. We've got to help her sell more products.
Yeah.
That's the key. But of course, at the same time, productivity matters. So the cart is already populated. Sarah's a known entity to us. So really, there's only one requirement, and it's place that order with one click. So the order is placed.
It's pretty easy. So one click. So you recommend it. You're telling her what the upside could be. One click, and she's out.
Simple
Negotiated product, negotiated price. That's phenomenal. Okay, so that's commerce.
Yep.
She's in the store. She's productive, but that's not all you're doing to allow her to create the perfect store, right?
No. So there's so much more.
Okay.
So a perfect store is hard to attain. Things are always changing. So we're creating a gamification around a reward program to incentivize best practice. So you can see here we've navigated to the reward store. And so Sarah's set up here, and clearly you can see she's already capitalized on some of the reward programs around best practice. And this is going to be the gateway for us to see into the stores and help store owners.
Yeah, so this is a commerce keynote, but yet we're talking about rewards here. So this isn't Commerce Cloud, right?
This is very much Commerce Cloud.
Okay.
You think about it, it's very much commerce.
Yeah.
We're enabling Sarah to drive commerce.
Yeah, it's great.
So do you want to take a little deeper dive?
So now, okay, so this is loyalty. So now, okay, I want to make sure. So we're selling to her. We're engaging her in a one-to-one way. We've never been able to do that before. But Taylor, you and I have been talking like the coolest stuff is yet to come, right? Were you ready to go? Now this is out there, but we're starting to see retailers do this. Let's go ahead and why don't you walk us through what we're about to see now? Because this is super cool.
Well, let's paint a picture first of all.
Okay.
So it's late in the evening. Sarah's in the store. Traffic has died down. Yeah. So she's doing her books and she's just doing general admin, and her phone vibrates. She pulls it out. It's a WhatsApp message from Tony the Tiger, of course. Yeah. And Tony says, "Hey, Sarah, I'd like you to take a selfie of the cereal display."
No. What? So I just figured out Snapchat. I'm still like, I kid about what is a shelfie?
Shelfie will be sweeping the retail nation.
I'm going to have to learn this too?
Yes. No, you don't.
Okay,
just
good.
Keep out of the way
all right,
of this,
I can't. All right.
Story.
All right. Okay, keep going. Sorry.
Okay, so we ask her to take a selfie of the cereal display in return for a reward. So she thinks, why not? It's the end of the day. Great. So she goes over, takes the picture, and of course, then we upload that picture. And Einstein Vision starts to analyze it against our database of planograms that align with best practice for Sarah's store type and location. So here you see the processing. And amazing. She's already got a lot of money in her reward account because she has 92% compliance on that planogram.
She's doing pretty good.
She's doing great. But Einstein has detected an opportunity to improve it further. So with the recommendation, we're going to move out or to the side, the Fruit Loops marshmallows and replace it with Rice Krispies. So if Sarah does that, we know through the science of planograms that she'll optimize that display for greater revenue.